Have you ever asked or had someone ask you about a file that just could not be opened? I mean, like, for example, I just downloaded this video, but it won't play. Or, I just downloaded your ebook, but can't open it. Or, I just downloaded my purchase and it will not open. It ends in something like .zip or .rar or .gzip or .7z. You get the idea. Now, there are many other possible examples about files that you have that you cannot open with the tools you have on your computer. This video will show you a few different tools every computer should have in order to solve most of the problems related to "I can't open this file." Most computers will have a built-in compression or zip program, but if you get a file that ends in .7z or .rar, then it just will not open. And you need a free tool like 7-Zip. Now there's a bunch of other ones out there, but we're going to demonstrate this using 7-Zip. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to open up my folder here, and I've got a few examples here. This one ends in .zip, which most computers will not have a problem with this. I'm using the Windows 7 operating system, so I would simply right-click and then left-click on Extract All. But if we attempt to do the same thing with the .tar or .7z, that option is not even going to show up. So for something like the .7z or the .tar or the .gzip or any of the other ones that will not work with the Extract All default option on most Windows operating systems, that's where something like 7-Zip would come in. And you can get 7-Zip for free at www.7-zip.org/download.html. And it's a very simple script to install, and if you encounter any issues whatsoever, there's an FAQ and a support link right over here in the left sidebar. Now, another "I can't open this file" type moment might be when you download a video or audio file that will not work with the player that you have installed on your computer. The answer to that dilemma is another free program. This one is called VLC. And you can download this at videolan.org, and you've got this big button right here, and this videolan.org has several products. So if you want more information about the VLC media player, then just click on this link here. And again, you still got the link right here to download the product. And for any installation issues you might encounter, which you shouldn't because it's pretty simple to install, but you've got your screenshots, you've got your support, your FAQ, and a forum here as well. Now let me go ahead and demonstrate for you the different audio or video files that you might encounter that might not work with your default media player. Come on back to my folder. And here I've got a .avi, and here I've got the same video only in a .webm format. Now as you can see, I've got the little icon over here for VLC, so I've already got the VLC program installed. But if I right click on this and then left click on play, then it pops right up here and starts playing. Now if I did not have VLC installed, this would not open up in the Windows Media Player. If I right click on that and go to open with, you see the Windows Media Player, which is the default player on Windows operating systems, is not showing up in here. But with the AVI, I right click on that, go to open with. You see I've got all these other options here, Windows Media Player being one of them. So VLC is a solution to a lot of the media player problems you might encounter if you have an audio or a video file that just won't play. And lastly, in case you have any other file types that you cannot open, then go to your favorite search engine and type in "how do I open a," and then replace these three letters with whatever file type you're having problems opening. And go ahead and put in the quotation marks at the beginning and the end. Then click on search, and you should have the answer to your question in one of these results, whether it's a PDF file, PNG file, or a PSD file, or any other file type that you're having problems opening up. Hopefully this video will help you open all of your files no matter what they end with. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.